Starting day 2 of harvest, we got a full wagon. I'm gonna get that hauled. And in about another hour, start getting that rest of the field done. Alright, here we are coming up to the ethanol plant for load 2. Semi will be following us shortly, I believe. It's been one of those mornings. See the dash through a code 9418. I'll put it in the video, but I'm betting it's a def code. You see these engine gauges down here from the left to right. It's engine temp, oil pressure, def fluid or urea, and fuel. I don't know. We'll see what the code is. So far it's a 9418, so we'll see. Gotta call them. We'll look it up here in just a second. Alright, we finished most of that field. There's actually 2 wet spots, so we weren't able to finish that last field. So we're going to come out, grab a couple ears in this, we'll walk in there, try to get a sample of what the field is, and we'll test this one for moisture. This one I don't think is going to be ready, but we thought we might as well try since we got beautiful blue sky.